Hey everyone, it's Unique. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to bring you along a little 7-day journey that I took in trying to whiten my teeth. So if you're interested in seeing more, just keep on watching. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I like to start my days with a fresh, hot cup of coffee, and I like to end my nights with a glass of wine. And while those things might be great for my soul, they're not the best for keeping my teeth white and bright. Now, there's a couple of you guys who have mentioned in the comments in my videos that my teeth are looking whiter, and even asking for a teeth whitening routine, which I thought was hilarious because the whitening process that I'm about to share with you guys only took me 7 days, and I will be honest, I did not think it was going to work. Now, I didn't think it was going to work because this is supposed to be a more natural way to whiten your teeth, and the description of the product said teeth whitening without sensitivity. And in the past, I've used white strips like in high school, early college, and those white strips always gave me sensitive teeth. Even when I'm using the combination of the strips and the toothpaste, I always got sensitive teeth. So it's been years since I've tried any kind of teeth whitening from home. But like I said, when I saw the description of these particular white strips saying that you can have brighter teeth in 7 days without sensitivity, I had to try them. I just had to try them. And those strips are the Luminex Oral Essentials Certified Non-Toxic Whitening Strips. And like I said, it says whitening without the sensitivity, and it's safe for your enamel. Now, I saw the advertisement on Instagram, but I went over to Amazon and purchased. The box that I ordered came with 42 strips, and they come in these individual packages like this, where you get 2 strips, one for the top teeth, one for the bottom. And although it says 42 strips, that doesn't mean 42 treatments. That's only 21 treatments because you get those 2 strips in one treatment individual packet like this. I can really tell a difference in my teeth, especially like my canine teeth in the very bottom of my bottom row. That's where I was seeing a lot more of that yellowing color happening, and those areas of my teeth have really shown a vast improvement versus day one, just like you guys will see in the footage that I show you. Now, using them is super simple. All I would do was brush my teeth, follow that up with floss, and then apply the strips. First, I would apply the top strips and then the bottom. Set my timer for 30 minutes, go read a book, watch a TV show, scroll through Instagram, something, girl, anything. Do that for 30 minutes, and then remove the strips and remove the gel, because the gel coating is going to coat your teeth. In order for me to get that gel coating off, I found the best way to get that gel coating off was to use my fingers and literally just like slide them across my teeth to get off as much of that substance as possible. And then I'd fill my mouth with water and use my toothbrush and just like brush it off. Gargle, rinse. The Lumineux Oral Essentials is actually a line, so they do have toothpaste and mouthwash. I'm thinking about picking up those. If I do, I'll let you guys know, but for right now, I am strictly only using the strips. And like I said previously, I am very pleased with how the results turned out, and I'm going to continue. Like, you can just tell for yourself just how I'm really excited to see what they're going to look like in another week's time. If you guys want me to come back and show you exactly what my teeth look like after a full 21 days of treatments, let me know and I'll film that video next. I will link the Amazon link, it will be an affiliate link, down below in the description box, where you guys can go and pick up the Luminex teeth whitening strip so that we can still enjoy our coffee and our wine and not have to worry about our teeth showing the results of feeding our soul. If you find this video to be valuable, go ahead and click the like button, give me a thumbs up so that it helps me get this video out to more people. Subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that you can get notified every time I drop a video just like this one. And I will see you all soon. Bye.